Okay, 2006 Suzuki GSX-R1000 K6. Nice bike, 28,800 odd miles, 2 owners from new. Last owner has owned it for about 17 years, so quite a long time to own a bike. Nice tidy bike all round. All the consumables are good. He's always looked after it. Got braided brake lines on the front, ASV levers, straight through exhaust. It's not an Acra Povic, it's just a carbon can and a straight through system. Tail tidy's already on. Looks good in black, suits it. R&G BUNGS on it. Nice double bubble tinted screen. Again, suits the image of the bike. We've got the rear pegs and the rear seat. 29,889 miles. So there you have it, Suzuki GSX-R1000 K6 on an 06 plate. The bike is in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent, so you are welcome to pop along and view the bike. If you do need further details, delivery, finance, even a part exchange price for your old bike, by all means give us a call or pop along and see us. See you soon.